Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here with this laser hair removal system by Elegtime. I have been wanting to try laser hair removal since I started having to shave my legs. So it tells you how many light pulses you have left, and then it will tell you the level. So to raise and lower the level, you just hit the power button. There are two modes. So if you are doing smaller areas, there's just a manual mode where you just hit the light and you can see the light pulse real quick, and then you would move to the next spot and do another pulse. If you're doing larger areas like your legs, you take the light pulse button and you hold it down for like 3 seconds, and then it will continue to pulse every few seconds. So you would just go along your leg and let it pulse. So when I started, I did both legs for 3 weeks, but then I was like, I want to know if I can tell a difference. So I stopped doing this one 3 weeks ago and kept doing this one. And as you can see, I still have leg hair, but notice all these huge patches. Now this might look like a lot of leg hair still to some people, but this is the side that I stopped doing 3 weeks ago. So this one I haven't shaved for a few days extra because I didn't do the laser, so it's a little bit longer. But you can see like how much hair I have and how coarse it is. So over here is a huge improvement. So I am super excited to do this long term. So by summer I will have 2 legs that are completely smooth. So really nice. It does take patience. It does take using it on a regular basis. So there is an investment in it. But if that means I can stop shaving as much as I used to, totally worth it. So if you're wanting to try some laser hair removal so you can stop shaving or greatly reduce how much you shave, highly recommend this thing. I'm super thrilled with the results I've gotten so far, and that's my point of view.